And we're back with our podcast. This is Papa Ross.
And this is Mama Girl.
And this podcast is brought to you by Real Studio Multimedia.
And Everything Counts PH.
Okay, so meron tayong magandang pag-usapan ngayon na currently na business na one of the institutions.
No, actually, medyo may
Okay.
konting sadness ako dyan. Dahil naging parokyano din ako ng business na ito. Itong
Okay.
talagang parang fairy tale castle, itong chocolate lovers.
Okay. So ano ba
Dito sa-
nangyari? Can you give a brief background what happened?
So, yung chocolate lovers operated for 36 years.
Okay.
And founded by, para di ako magkamali, ang owner nito ay si Miss Annie Carmona Lim.
Mm-hmm.
So, napakaganda nung naging business model niya during that time. Actually, naging parokyano pa ako
Oo.
nung time na yun. Kasi, alam mo na, nung estudyante pa tayo, nagtitinda-tinda rin tayo, nagbe-bake and nagtitinda. So, ang daming bakery. Sobrang parang playground siya talaga.
Oo.
Pag pumunta ka doon, ang sarap ng pakiramdam.
Okay.
And through the years, talaga nag-evolve siya. Nasagot niya yung needs ng market niya, yung community. Kaya talagang, ang dami talagang nalulungkot, no? Makikita niyo naman sa social media na the owner finally decided, no, na i-close down talaga yung
Oo.
business. So, nag-close down na siya officially
Oo.
last December 27.